Okay, this is a seatbelt cutting test on 2 knives. Couldn't find any videos anywhere of them, so figured I'll do it myself. Fortunately, I don't have any glass to test the glass breakers, but we'll see. The first knife is going to be the Albatross FK003 EDC knife. Comes with the glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. And the next knife will be the Tac Force 10.5 inch knife with glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. So one thing I noticed is that people don't tend to use these correctly. They tend to go straight across like this, and it doesn't seem to work. But I've noticed that if you go at an angle, then it actually does work. So that works, the Albatross. And then we'll try the Tac Force. At an angle, that works too. However, don't be sad if your knife doesn't come with seatbelt cutter, because it seems to me like the blades themselves work just as good, if not better. So there you go, an actual test of the seatbelt cutting features. Hope that helped.